Kabiama.
Come
and join us.
Your ancestor, what your ancestor name?
Our ancestor is Chukwu Kabiama.
Oh, you know your surname.
Or is the Chitoke?
Yeah, but you know your surname. Who tell you that?
You have so many names. There is a place where he or she or the god is called Jah. Jah.
But you're surprised because you know.
Jah Rastafari.
But you're surprised because you never tell me say your ancestor name Chico your boy.
Rastafari. Oh gosh.
There is many other surprises that will come.
Yeah.
Because you don't know that Ojegome.
So this one called color note, guys, and we call it busy.
Busy.
That's your tradition. Alright, say what you say.
Yeah.
Even Ojegome, your son, means Ojegome Kezeito Kekara. But you guys can't pronounce it.
Ojegome.
Ojegome Kezeito Kekara.
Ojegome
Kekeko. Or Ojegome Kachuku Seku. Or Ojegome Kachuku Ebiamachoria. But you guys are still young generation.
You see how in tradition?
You guys are
traditional.
New. You know, when a tree grows, the root is there, and the stem, and then the branch, and the leaf. You guys are the leaves. So we, the Africans, we are the tap root and everything.
We are the root of
so
it.
that is why we with pity and mercy and to make life easy for you guys, we give you shortcut and short names. Now you think your son's name is ended in Ojegome. Even when you call Ojegome, you think you have tried. Instead of OJ, you call Ojegome. Then you are like you call it, but you don't know that the real meaning of Ojegome means Ojegome Kezeito Kekar.
You have me confused. So what's that in English?
Ojegome means it has finally happened.
I know that part.
At last
happened.
as
God's will. That is what it means.
What about the other ones? Chaka.
That is it now. Kezeito Kekar. As God will, or as God wish, or as God said. That is it. So
Okay.
it is always good for me to keep all those small secrets so that when you discover it, I become like a new husband to you again.
But you have to tell me now so I can know.
You see?
All right, finish the prayer. Is it finished?
So,
A Saint Anne, man.
as we celebrate today, we thank God. We thank our gods, our ancestors. We thank all of them for a day like this, for the life of every one of us, and for the life of the little baby that have come to join us. This little baby is blessed. This little baby is successful. The little baby has brought blessings. The little baby has brought long life. The little baby has brought unity to everybody that is connected through her. And we, Almighty Ezeito Kabiama, will give us good health and also good work to take care of that little baby. When that little baby grows and becomes wealthy, the little baby will also take care of those that she's supposed to take care of. This land that we are stepping on today, we bless this little baby. And this land will also get blessings and help from this little baby. So shall it be. Never finish, oh, wait. Wait. Are you in a hurry?
No.
Okay.
No.
The prayer is still ongoing. Because ancestors.
Feel prayers, our different prayers still, you know.
What the hell is that?
You lot have visitors, man, eh?
Yes.
They're not new here anymore, eh?
Hi.
Hello.
One name, Madu.
No.
It's just
One
a
damn
stretch
bottle.
lizard.
Yes,
I will rest now up here
Jake.
today.
He's not
No.
He has his food.
Yes, so.
Hello.
I put him on my shoulders with his
Mama.
mouse.
Get one. Where is it?
There's enough seat.
Good evening. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna end the video.
Okay, if you can continue later on.
Be careful, because of this one.
Yes.
We have prayed with the kola nut.
Alright, I'm gonna leave my lizard right here. No one take it
And we are
home.
now praying with the wine.
No.
Our ancestors understand that we don't have palm wine here,
Yeah.
but all wine is wine. We could even pray with our ordinary mouth, they will still accept it. Even with water, they will still accept it. But wine has always been something of prestige and something of celebration. We are calling on our ancestors. Ndị ichie, ndị omenala.
Yes.
Ndị kere anyị.
Ndị brothers are gaba.
Ndị Brides ọgaba. Mana ha nọkwa ya o. Ha gawago na na-arụ kama ha nọkwa ya na mmụọ. N'anya. Kemgbe m na-abịa ebe a na-ekpe ekpere, ajụbere m nwa gị nwaanyị aha nna ya. Kama n'ebe ọ bụla ị nọzi ebe a na ma ajụ gị afa nna nwa gị ya that is afa. Yes. Ọ ga-esokwa. Exactly. Ana m akpọkụ ya ekpere o kama na ama akpọ ya afa direct maka ụmụazị bụ ụmụazị. Enwere m ike jụọ ya afa ya na biko ụlọ onye jọsụrụ hapụ anyị n'otebere aka ofiligo otu but ebe ọ bụ na gị nwa nọzi ebe a biko lotalụ m afa ya ka m lotakwa ya n'ekpere. O nwere afọ Igbo?
Afọ Igbo ya bụ nkwọcha.
Nkwọcha?
Nkwọ
ọcha.
Ote nwere eke oye afọ. Nkwọ nke ya bụ nke ọcha.
Nke ọcha? Okay. Ebe anyị na-amụta nke ụkwọ ndị ojii.
Maka. So
Sunday bụrụzi Anajemba.
Okay. Ndoli. Cornelius ọ na-anụkwa. Nkwọ ọ na-anụ nkwọcha ị na-anụkwa. Yes. Ana m elota gị nna gị ọfọ kama na ama akpọ gị afa. I remember you each time I pray, but I don't call your name. But one thing that is good in the ancestors is that they listen to the heart. They don't just listen to the mouth. So today, being that your wife is here, we are calling upon you. We are saying, may you be blessed. May you be blessed. And may you be at peace wherever you are. And if it is possible that you are hearing us, hear us very well. We appreciate every effort you have done that we don't know about. We appreciate it. We only see in the open. We don't see what is happening behind us. But we are aware that there is activities behind us. Because all we achieve is not by our mere powers. So we are calling upon you, Cornelius Nkocha. You are no more here physically with us, but you are with us in spirit. We are saying thank you for all your efforts. All your efforts from when you were here physically with us and now that you are not with us. For bringing forth this child today that brought us another child. We thank you for that. All your effort at your young youth, it is paying off now. We thank you. Yes. Our own ancestors too, like Ezemwida. We thank you. Njaragara and the code. We thank all of you. We thank you. Yes, my Rastafarian guy, Donald. Donald Smith. Is it Smith?
Sims.
Yeah, Donald Sims. Yes, so you were with me some years ago, and then you are still with me now, even though I don't see you physically. We call upon you too, and all other ancestors, all other chiefs. Ndị Igbo jibiri, ndị dị na room a nwere chi, anyị na-akpọkọ unu na-asị unu daalụ. Chebe na anyị otu n'isi na-eche anyị. Thank you for guiding us till now. We appreciate. Maka na asị na eto dike na gọọmenti na omekwa ọzọ. We thank you guys because we know even sleeping and waking up is not by our power. We thank you guys for all your guidance and protections. And we ask for more guidance and protections, prosperity, long life, and good health. He says,
Outside.
Yes, so
Front door. Take a last far.
Okay.
You got too far, you're welcome.